everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm AmorAntasia, and today's video is going to be a curly hair routine for basically the kinky curly, like more so coily hair types. This is also Malaysian curly hair, so if you have any like Brazilian curly or Peruvian curly, any kind of curly hair texture, or if you're naturally 3C, this is the perfect curly hair routine to keep your curls popping and nice and juicy looking, but kind of crisp so that, you know, there's no frizz. And all under about, let's say, $20. So stay tuned for the video if you're interested in seeing how I got these cute summer curls. This is also a wig from my hair company. They do come in longer lengths. I custom make them for all of my customers, so you can check my website. There's a 10% discount code in the description box. And also follow us on Instagram. So, and if you don't have my hair company, let's say you have any kind of curly hair, Brazilian curly or Malaysian curly or whatever, this is the same steps that you will take to get this type of curl, regardless of the hair. So, yes.